Hey guys, I hope you're all doing really well. Today I am a little bit nervous but also super excited to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, and this is actually a collaboration with my friend Alexi. I've actually been really curious to try something like this, also slightly terrified to try this, but Alexi asked me if I wanted to do this with her, and of course I said yes because I'm really curious to see how she does on this, and I have been curious about it like I said. So, I mean, why not? This is the perfect time to do it. I'm really excited to see how Alexi does on this challenge. I feel like she's going to somehow integrate her like bold and colorful style into this sort of challenge, even though it's such a short time restraint. I feel like she's going to do something really fun. And for me, I'm going to really try to do more of like an everyday face, but I really want to try to cover all of the bases that I would do in like a normal like 25 to 30 minute makeup routine. I have everything laid out in front of me, and I am ready to just kind of get started because yeah, I kind of just want to get this over with, to be completely honest, because it's making me a little bit nervous. So, and also like I definitely need some makeup on my face today. I'm looking a little bit not so great. My eyelids are like so super red and like irritated looking. I've got some like blemishes and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm ready to just get some makeup on my face and tackle this challenge. So I'm gonna set 5 minutes onto the timer on my phone. I think I want to get my foundation in my hand first. I have my foundation and my foundation brush in my hand, but I'm gonna press start now. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm using the Fenty Pro Filt'r. Like I said, I need a decent amount of coverage. I prefer that every day anyway, so I'm just going to work this into my face, hopefully really quickly. I have a feeling I'm going to be like pretty silent during this because all the concentration is needed right now. Alright. So yeah, this gives me like medium coverage, and then I can definitely build it up as I need, but today I don't think I'm going to work on building it up. I think I'm just going to make sure I get all of my skin looking a little bit more perfected. Yeah, so that's alright. Oh my goodness. This is super nerve-wracking, guys. If any of you guys have done this challenge, let me know. Because I'm really curious to see how you guys do. I feel like I'm about to fail right now. Okay, I'm going with the Ulta Beauty primer, and I'm just putting that on my eyelids to really cancel out all that redness. This seems like it's taking forever. Why do these things feel like they take so long when you know you're on a time restraint? Yeah, this kind of look, I mean, I doubt that I'll be able to do everything, but like this kind of look that I'm aiming to do usually takes me like half an hour. So just using the Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes, and I'm just going to try to blend that in with this brush. I don't love the way it looks with the brush, but since the brush is already in my hand, it makes life a little bit easier. I'm trying to blend that in with the primer as well, just to make sure that the edges are kind of blended on that, I guess. Alright. That's about as good as it's going to get for now. Not quite as much coverage as I'd like, but whatever. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the ABH Contour Kit and just mix the two lightest highlighting shades and pop those all over my eyelid and my under eye. Kind of getting both things done at once. And I need to set like around my nose too. And sorry if you can hear Louis just licking himself right now. He's just sitting right beside me and decided it's time to clean himself. Okay, I'm going in the Kat Von D the Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to use one of the shades for my brows actually. On this tiny little essence brush. I like that this one has a spoolie on the end, so I just tend to reach for this for powders all the time. No. So what happens, you start getting nervous, and like my hands are not being very precise because I just want to go way faster than I probably am capable of doing. Oh, jeez. Okay, that does not look good. These brows. Oh my goodness. Okay, try to clean that up just a little bit. Alright, I think I'd rather just get my skin looking good, so I'm going to go in with butter bronzer. Pop that on my cheeks, and on my temples, across my nose. Oh my goodness, how much time is left? 52 seconds! Okay, this is going to be a just base kind of look, I think, then. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Geek palette. I'm just going to pop that onto my cheeks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to keep going even though I know I can't finish this at this point, but I'm going to use Colourpop Koosh on the lids. Sorry, my neighbors just got really loud all of a sudden. And then a mini like Too Faced Better Than Sex here. I'm just going to pop that on like my outer lashes. Okay, I'll just leave it as it is. Okay, so that's all that I can do in 5 minutes. I mean, it's definitely not a bad look, but it's definitely not a completed look either. I really thought I could do more than that in 5 minutes. That flew by so fast. Oh, and I got mascara like smudged here, but that happens to me even when I'm not in a rush. But okay, I would definitely prefer like a little bit more coverage, especially under my eyes. I tend to really build up the coverage. Also, I use more product, and then I'll use a sponge, and I'll actually like properly set my under eyes to give myself more coverage. But it's not bad. Like from a distance, it doesn't look bad. Highlighter looks good. Bronzer looks like okay. But yeah, this is definitely not a finished look. So I guess I might as well just finish this up on camera and just do the rest of this with you guys. So I'm going to finish up my mascara, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on both the top and the bottom lashes, just so that that kind of opens up my eyes. Oh shoot, I just like now I'm like feeling a little bit nervous about all of this, but anyway, then I'm going to run just a little bit of the Wet n Wild brow mascara through my brows. And on an everyday basis, I don't actually use that powder, but I just thought that might be a little bit easier than trying to be precise with a pencil. The last thing that I would really want to do, let's just blend that a bit better. Last thing that I really want to do is just put on a lip, and I usually think that that kind of pulls the whole look together. I tend to prefer to have something on my lips. I just feel like really undone without a lipstick. So I'm going to use this Mellow Nude lipstick. I'm just going to put some of the NYX Butter Gloss on top because I have been trying to use this guy up so much and I just can't seem to finish it. So I've just been integrating it into every single makeup look. So even though I failed the 5-minute makeup challenge, I was able to create like the full face look in under 10 minutes, and I think that that's really good. That's something that's really easy to do on an everyday basis. This definitely just makes me feel a little bit more fresh, more pulled together, more evened out, and a little bit more perfected without being like too much. I think that this is a really easy everyday look for me personally, and yes, I failed the 5-minute makeup challenge, but this is realistically what I would like to wear out in the world. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have done this challenge, please let me know, or if you want to do this challenge, definitely do it. It was terrifying, but also so much fun, and definitely go check out Alexi's channel. I'm so excited to see how she does with this challenge. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.